Once there was a guy who went to a potter para mag-observe sa iyahang mga ginahimo. He noticed na every time mabuak or makulaps ang shaped vessel, there was always a stick or a stone na wala nakuha sa clay. Then the potter would take those impurities away, mold the vessel all over again, ug dayon isulod kini sa tapahan for hardening. The question for us is, do we let God mold our lives for us? Or do we try to mold and fix ourselves? Remember na if we do not let God take our impurities away, kanang mga sticks o mga stones sa atong kinabuhi, dili gyud ta mahimo ug mapurma na vessel. Ug every time na atong mabatian ang kainit sa tapahan, brothers and sisters, wala ka na ilain tumong but to harden and strengthen us. God bless you.